Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of our HBHO 100 watt high bay. Very high performance. These things put out 200 lumens per watt, probably most in the industry. We've been shipping them for a couple of years with great success for our customers. Comes standard with a high glare reduction optic. Comes standard with a 120 degree optic. There's also a 90 and 60 degree optic available, depending on your mounting height. It also has the ability to add a motion sensor, and then we have a industrial feature on it where we only allow it to go down to 10%, so there's always a little bit of light in your environment, but you're still getting great savings. Additionally, there's a pendant or surface mount bracket that can go on the unit. And there's also a standard reflector dome that will work on the unit also. This fixture only comes in 100/277. We do stock it, so give one of our lighting specialists a call today and they'll run you a lighting plan to determine what the best version is for you. Have a great day.